Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into a solution for a common problem that many of us face: varicose veins. Specifically, we're taking a close look at what could be the best varicose vein removal cream for legs out there, the PAULINRISE Varicose Vein Cream. Varicose veins can be a real hassle. Not only do they affect the appearance of our legs, but they can also cause discomfort and even pain. That's why finding a solution that actually works is crucial. And that's where PAULINRISE steps in. This cream boasts an impressive array of benefits. It's designed not only to improve blood circulation but also to reduce the appearance of spider veins and alleviate that heavy feeling in your legs. Plus, it's packed with moisturizing technology to keep your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Let's break down some of the key features. PAULINRISE Varicose Vein Cream isn't just about treating the veins. It's about nourishing your skin too. With essential vitamins and amino acids, it helps improve skin tone and minimize the signs of aging. By improving blood circulation, this cream works to naturally eliminate varicose veins over time. Say goodbye to those unsightly lines on your legs. Not only does it tackle varicose veins, but it also helps relieve swelling and discomfort associated with weak vein walls and blood stasis. It's important to note that this cream is for external use only. Pregnant or lactating women should avoid it, as should anyone with known allergies to its ingredients. In conclusion, PAULINRISE Varicose Vein Cream offers a promising solution to a common problem. Its blend of safe and effective ingredients, coupled with its easy application, makes it a standout choice for those looking to tackle varicose veins head-on. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.